Hey guys, and today I'll answer a popular question. Does this Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 have GPS in there? But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, does this watch have GPS? Yes, of course it does. The Redmi Watch 4 does pack in a fair amount of features on the fitness and sports tracking front. There is built-in GPS, so there is no need to use your phone to better track outdoor workouts. I'm gonna show you. In this icon you can see many kinds, many different sports from which you can choose. So, this is a smartwatch that will track your heart rate, blood oxygen and even stress. And that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.